Well, folks, the wind's really blowing hard. It's kind of warm today. It's about 10:30. Haven't seen anything yet. Couple squirrels. Well, folks, this is going to end day one of opening day muzzleloader. It's been real windy today and warm. Got some gusts. The wind is pretty high. Not that bad right at the moment, but been having some real high winds. Maybe other folks having the same problem I am. As you can see, the wind it goes forward and back and swirling, and that confuses the deer, and they usually don't get up and move that much. We'll combine this video with day 2 and day 3 and whatever we can until we get a deer. Well, folks, today is Tuesday, our second trip of muzzleloader season. This is actually election day. A lot of people were off hunting in the woods. We heard quite a few shots, maybe 4 or 5 shots, but we haven't seen anything. And opening day was Saturday here in East Tennessee, and had some really strong winds. So strong that a little pine tree, a dead pine tree, fell and just nearly missed my blind here. I'm not sure if I've got it on video or not. I've not done any editing from day one, but it's about 10:30. We had our time change, so actually it's 11:30, but the clock shows 10:30. Usually early season muzzleloader, we have a full moon, and we did last night. And the way I figure it, the deer's probably been up all night moonlight, feeding and courting and so forth. I figure they'll get up and move around midday, 2 o'clock. So we're going to go and eat breakfast and maybe call it for today and watch the election. But if we don't go back this evening, we'll hunt day number 3, which won't be tomorrow because I've got some things I've got to do. A little trip we're going to take, but we'll just have to see. Maybe I can get out of it and hunt tomorrow. But hang around with us. We're going to keep videoing each day until we get a deer. Got Aiden with me this morning. Say hey, Aiden.
Hey.
Got a new mount from a GoPro on my gun, so hopefully we get some better video. The other mount that I had when I'd fire the gun, it jar around flip, so hopefully this one will do better. Can't wait to see what it does. Jeff and Ben's Outdoors channel. Check it out. He's too little. It's a little buck. I let that little buck walk about 10 minutes ago, and I believe somebody just killed him. The direction he went is where the shot come from. Sounded like about 200 or 300 yards away. Oh well. So this is Jeff of Jeff and Ben's Outdoors channel. We appreciate you guys watching, and hopefully the next video we make will have some meat on the ground. Appreciate you guys. Like and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. You know, hit those buttons. Maybe this channel will grow. Leave a comment. Talk to you. See you on the next one.